In this tutorial, you will learn how to replace the printer's print head. Eject the media cartridge if present. Set the power switch to off. Let the printhead cool before touching it. Open the upper cover. Touch the metal tab on the top of the printhead to ground yourself before continuing this procedure. Remove the ground wire from the back of the printhead. Gently remove the two printhead cables from the back of the printhead. Place the new printhead close to the two printhead connectors and ground wire. Connect the left side printhead cable to the left side printhead connector. Connect the right side printhead cable to the right side printhead connector. Insert the printhead cable bundles in the right and left side cable retainers on the back of the printhead. Align the printhead and press down. Connect the green ground wire to the metal tab. Insert the card so that 1/4 inch is visible from the front of the printer. Close the upper cover. Press and hold the eject button. Set the power switch to on. Continue holding the eject button until the cleaning card starts moving. When the media status indicator flashes orange, the cleaning cycle is complete. Remove and discard the used cleaning card. Load a media cartridge and print a configuration report.